Reverend Angel P. Bonamor, our dear council chairperson, Mrs. Aileen M. Catapana, Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Mr. Gilbert M. Reyes, our guest speaker, Mr. Rainier Reyes Puno, the dedicated teachers of the school, families, and friends, my fellow graduates, good afternoon. I am absolutely honored to be standing here representing the graduating class of 2013. On behalf of the graduates, I would like to thank you for joining us on this auspicious occasion. Graduation Day, how sweet sounding and how delicious it is to savor the very significant. But sweeter are the reminiscences of memories as we look back across the years in our long and arduous ascent to the top of our elementary school life. Graduation is a time of reflecting on the past and looking onward to the future. It's time that we, as graduates, get together for one last hurrah before moving on to a bigger and better adventures. As we look back on 5 amazing years, it is easy to see that this school played an instrumental role in helping create the young boys and girls we are today. 5 years ago, we walked into our first grade classroom, wondrous and with countless questions in our young minds. Can we never forget our first day in school, struggling to write our names, to read, and to recite the alphabet, to count, to add, to subtract, and later to multiply and divide. All of this seemed to be formidable problems for our young minds then. Later, as we progressed through our primary level, then our intermediate level, we were able to decipher the complexities of mathematics, the languages, and the wonders of science. These were some of the exciting times in our lives. We were given new privileges as well as new responsibilities. Friendships quickly develop among us, and those new friendships has become stronger. We find self-belongingness. We belong to the Little Angels family. For the past years of our lives in the school, we have given information and knowledge, and it is now time to put them to good use. Our teachers and administrators have equipped and prepared us for our futures. Our teachers do not fail us in this goal of education. Furthermore, they made us work harder than we ever thought we would. They made us wonder and question natural phenomena. They taught us respect for our parents, elders, and other fellow human beings. They literally taught us the value of life and reverence for our Creator. In other words, our teachers enrolled us the gift of literacy, legacy, of computational skills, and of good morals and citizenship. This commencement ceremony can be as joyous for our parents as it is for us graduates. This is the day that they eagerly anticipated and waited, yet one that brings them at least a few tears. I can still get it right at the very moment. My mom can hide her tears of joy as her sacrifices and hardships are finally rewarded. The time and the sleepless nights, researching and preparing questions during exams are beyond compare. I know that they are proud of me. I have been so blessed to have my papa and mama who has helped me in every way possible to get to this day. I have also been raised by a family who have never stopped giving their love and inspiration to make my dreams come true. Every competition I join, winning or losing in the contest, they are always there to appreciate and cheer me up. I would like to take this time to thank everyone, big and small, who has helped each and every one of us to get here. Whether he or she is a parent, a grandparent, a teacher, a guardian, an aunt, an uncle, or a neighbor, you have inspired and made it possible for us to get here. A generous thank you is well deserved. As when one glorious chapter of our lives, a new one begins, we have a fresh blank page ahead of us. It is up to us to grab our pens and write our own stories. I ask you, my fellow graduates, to take this opportunity to write an unforgettable chapter filled with the fulfillment of your dreams. We hold the key to our own future. There is a lot of power inside of us waiting to be unleashed. Getting a diploma this afternoon is not the end of graduation, but it is the beginning of something special. It is the beginning of new adventures and new friendships and series of struggles. In behalf of the graduating class of 2013, I dedicate this moment of glory to all our parents for their unconditional love and unquestioning belief in our abilities, for their selflessness for everything. To our teachers and administrators, full of hope, faith, and courage. To my fellow graduates, let us all together offer prayers and thanksgiving to the Father in heaven for His blessing of health and wisdom. For our teachers, I hope that our courage will stay small, that all our gifts will reach the stars, as the sky is the limit. Lastly, there is no better advice I can give than hope. Take chances, make mistakes, and learn problems. Congratulations, graduates of 2013. This is our time to shine. Thank you and good afternoon.